Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find alliance coordinates in Lands of Jail. Finding your alliance coordinates in Lands of Jail is actually pretty simple once you know where the game hides the button, because strategy games love acting like basic information is classified military intel. First, open your alliance menu and head into territory section. From there, press the relocate option and don't worry, it will not instantly teleport you because the game still asks for confirmation before moving your base. Once the Alliance territory opens, tap on the Alliance HQ itself, and you should immediately see the X and Y coordinates displayed on the screen. I usually double check the numbers at the bottom of the map because it is very easy to tap the wrong building and suddenly end up staring at some random field instead of your Alliance base. You can also manually search coordinates using the map search feature if you want to revisit the HQ later or share the location with Alliance members quickly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.